guys, this is Nicole Andrews. Welcome back. Eternity Warrior Fit channel. So glad you could make it. It is now day 15. We are halfway through our 6-minute ab challenge. 30 days to get sexy abs. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. This series, we have a little bit of some moves from chiseled yoga. So that was something that I made up during COVID when I was homeschooling my kids and I had to get in cardio, flexibility, and strength. We are going to do some moves from that. So probably 8 different moves. I'll get the timer going and I'll explain each single one because we'll have 5 seconds in between. Okay. So the first one, we're just gonna start mountain pose, but feet are together. You're gonna take a deep inhale all the way up. We'll go ahead and start the timer. And inhale all the way up, reach up. And now swan dive with a flat back. Start to engage your core. And now come up halfway. Plant your hands on the ground and just come up halfway. Really squeezing this part, the lower, middle, and push your hands into the ground. We got 8 seconds. And then we're going into scooping swan dives. 2 seconds, 1. Good. Now scoop it up all the way, keeping your knees slightly bent, pushing into the feet, using your core. Exhale all the way down. Again, inhale all the way up and swan dive with a flat back. Now scoop it up, engage your core as you push into the feet. Exhale all the way down. We have 5 seconds, so one more, guys. Inhale, exhale, flat back. Good. 2 seconds. Scoop it up. Awesome. Okay, we're going right into chair this time. So you could stay here, but bring your arms up by your ears. Reach through the fingertips and sink back into the heels. Lift your toes, engage your core. And now if you can, come down halfway. Chest meets the thighs. And if you want, level 2 and 3, you guys can roll onto your toes and bring up your core a little bit here. And now level 2 and 3, if you want to take that roll back, you can. And it goes like this. You roll back and you come up with your feet apart, heel toe the feet together, and then come up to chair. We have 20 more seconds, so we could do that again. Half chair, floating chair, come back down, take your roll, and now come up, open your feet a little bit, just stick it up, heel toe the feet together. Keep it long and strong. 3 seconds, guys. Stay here, weight in the heels, and exhale all the way up. So this one, we're gonna go right into warrior 2. So the back foot steps back parallel with the mat. Front foot is forward, arms come to a T, and you're bringing your right hand to your instep of your left foot. Right back to warrior 2. But what we're doing is we're engaging our core as we're twisting right back in to warrior 2. So keep breathing. I know you guys got this. Push into the back foot. Push into that back area of the back foot. Make sure it's grounded. And if you can't touch your toe, that's okay. You can come close, but keep going and go as slow as you need to go. So if you want to, you can slow it down or you could speed it up. I know that part of my ab is burning. We're using our quads here, almost a full body workout, but that's chiseled yoga. So we're going to do some jump switches here. So jump switch, you can take it level 1, where you just bring your feet up and up and up, or level 2 and 3, depending. You take your butt up, push into the hands, and you have to be able to get your core engaged for this one. So keep going, we have 30 seconds. A little bit of a cardio push here. Using your abs on the up. Really crunch it up and in, keeping your knees soft. Don't let the front knee pass the toe. Always make sure your form is safe. We have 10 seconds. Take a break when you need to. I know this is a tough one. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot in front, left foot back. Come all the way up. Little active recovery in warrior 2. So make sure you're not going forward with the front knee, and start tapping that instep with the left fingertips this time, really squeezing the core. When we shake things up a little bit, when it comes to our exercises, that's when we start to see results, right? So this may seem awkward to some of you, but it works. So work, make sure you work it if it works. If it works, work it. Something like that. Woo! You're worth it. 10 seconds. Come back into warrior 2. I know that right thigh is burning. That's good stuff right there. Next, we got a nice wide leg fold. So come into wide leg fold. Your toes are in, heels are out. Start to walk it out, coming on the balls of the feet. And level 2 and 3, if you want to do a little tricep push up here, and then walk it back, keeping your core engaged the entire time, belly to spine, flat back on the way up. And now down again, walk it out, coming on the balls of your feet, tricep dip optional, and coming back, hands to hips, all the way up. Keep going at your own pace. You don't have to take that tricep dip push up, but I would encourage you to at least try it. Inhale, exhale, walk it out, keep that core tight. We have about 5 seconds. You guys got this. Mixing it up today. Inhale, good job. Okay, so right now, we're going to come to a standing twist. So stay where you are and just switch your toes out, heels in, and bring your elbows together and really keep your hips square. Your hips aren't turning, your waist is turning, and that's why I like to bring my elbows, my forearms together, clasping my hands, and sit low. Sit low. Really feel those abs working, but at the same time you're working other muscles. So you don't get as freaked out about your abs burning. Keep twisting, guys. You want that small little dress for New Year's or your birthday or whatever is coming up next. You have 5 seconds. Go, go. Make sure you exhale. Good job. Come all the way up. Last one is a wide plank. So come back down into plank. Open your toes out wide here and start to shoulder tap. Tap. Just tap the top of your shoulder, keeping your core tight. Make sure you're not swaying. That's not going to do anything for you. So if you keep your core tight, your hips centered, you got this, warriors. Great. So now we're going to do is feet. So the feet come out, out, in. So out, in. Keep that core strong. Engage your lower core. So whether you just tap side to side or you walk it, it's up to you. We have 10 seconds here, guys. Suck that navel in. Get your butt down. Woo! Awesome job! That one wasn't easy, I know. But when you want results, you can't have easy. You have to make changes. And a lot of times those changes, they're not easy. But we believe in you, and we are your biggest cheerleader. So don't forget, tap that bell for day 16, 17, and the healthy recipes that are coming to you. Anti-aging tips. We're a new channel, so we are so glad you're here. And I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.